Let's take a look at two important rules of differentiation. First, we have the sum rule. This rule states that the derivative of the sum of two functions f and g is the same as the derivative of f plus the derivative of g. The next rule is the difference rule, which is very similar to the sum rule. It states that the derivative of a difference of two functions f and g is equal to the derivative of f minus the derivative of g. We are asked to find the derivative of f of x equals 5 plus 3x squared plus 2x. So f prime of x is equal to the derivative of 5 plus 3x squared minus 2x. Notice that this contains a sum and a difference. Recall that the sum rule states that the derivative of a sum is equal to the sum of the derivatives. Similarly, the difference rule states that the derivative of a difference is equal to the difference of the derivatives. So we can rewrite this as the derivative of 5 plus the derivative of 3x squared minus the derivative of 2x. Now we can find the derivative of each term. The first term is the derivative of a constant. Remember that the constant rule states that the derivative of a constant is 0. So our first term of the derivative is 0. The next term contains a coefficient. The constant multiple rule states that the derivative of a constant times a function is equal to the constant times the derivative of the function. In this case, the coefficient 3 is multiplied by x squared. So we have 3 times the derivative of x squared. To find the derivative of x squared, we use the power rule. The power rule states that if the exponent is a positive integer, which it is in this case, the derivative is that positive integer multiplied by x raised to the original exponent minus 1. So, the derivative of x squared is the exponent 2 multiplied by x to a power of 2 minus 1, which is 1. When an exponent is 1, we don't need to write any exponent. It is assumed. So, the derivative of x squared is 2x. For the third term, we again use the constant multiple rule. So we get minus 2 times the derivative of x, which is 1. Finally, simplify by combining any like terms. 0 plus 3 times 2x is 6x, and negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So the derivative of 5 plus 3x squared minus 2x is 6x minus 2.